We got a new butcher block counter for beside our stove, and these cardboard trim were pieces of trim were wrapped around it like a frame, like a picture frame for shipping to protect it. And I was getting ready to throw them away. They're good and sturdy. And I thought, you know what? The boys are going to love these for a makeshift train tracks and ramps, and they are loving them. So I cut them right here in the middle because they were connected, but I cut them, and the kids are loving them.